Hi. Okay, so I wanted to do this with you guys this week. I am unpacking my ER. Of course, we are in the midst of our ER challenge right now. And so this was important that I did this with you this month. I really wanted to do that. And I encourage all of you to do that whenever you get your essential reward orders in, okay? So let's unpack this box, okay? Of course, we love essential rewards because it's like Christmas every month. It's like Christmas every month. So we're going to throw these away. Got lots of these. This is a kind of a big box. Okay, so along with my ER order this month, of course, I got, it was time for this again. I take advantage of the Ningxia Red Essential Rewards Bundle each and every, about every 3 months, actually, for me. That's how long it lasts. But so for that, we're going to have, of course, hold on. I got it. Okay, so we got our packets, right? This is our 30 packets of our wonderful Ningxia Red. I love this stuff. You just don't know. I love this stuff. Okay, so, and then I have, as part of that, gosh, there's a lot of stuff in here. I love this. This is great. I got to get the things as I get to them, right? So I got to make this work, okay, somehow. Okay, so, of course, and with that ER bundle for Ningxia Red, you have this big box right here. That's the 4 bottles of Ningxia Red, right? So that's my Essential Rewards Ningxia Red. It was time to get that, so I got that. I added also, because ever since we had our challenge, right, our Ningxia challenge, I have just learned that my body responds really, really well, especially with my increase in my activity, my exercise, to this right here, Ningxia Nitro. Love this stuff. So I did add this also this month. I got to have this. This helps me, and I could do it because I proved it to myself last month, actually just last week. I can actually do a 5K, but this makes it easier because around my lake every morning, I usually go 6 times around it, right? Which is a little bit over 2 miles, 2.2, 2.3, so I'm not far off. It's another 3 times around to do a 5K, okay? But this right here helps with endurance. Love this stuff. So I added Ningxia Nitro this month. Okay. So, and also I wanted, because I've come to love this ever since we had our cocktail party. And I had my cranberry, Ningxia cranberry mojito, right? Zing. Gotta have my zing. Okay. I love this stuff too, right? It's great. It is great. I love Zing now. But anyway, and that's so much healthier than all those other energy drinks out there. It's so much better for you. And yeah, love that. So that was part of my order. And then, let's see if is that one? I think actually this is not one of the, no. Okay. So also I had to order, because I was out of it and I don't want to be out of this, is multigreens. Wonderful supplement, guys. I really highly suggest you do this. It is so hard for us to get all of those things in our diets that we need the greens, right? And this right here provides that in one little capsule. And so I love this stuff. And I was out, so I had to get more of that. Okay, excuse me. And then I was out of, I love these. My Vitality Drops. Right? I love these. I love my Vitality Drops. Of course, that's the lemon lavender. And there's 2 of those. And then, of course, I love this one too. The bergamot. Oh, I love this. Grapefruit bergamot. That is so good. Wonderful. That's good. So, super excited about that. Okay. So, and here's the other one, because it's a 4 set, right? So there's the other one on that. I love this. This is so awesome. I am loving this. I got to set this up because I'm going to do something at the end. So I got to make sure that it's all set up properly here. So you got to just deal with me for a second as I get this ready. Okay. So, all right. So, okay. What else we got? I know I ordered, because this is an oil that I so truly, truly love. Hold on. I'm getting there. See, I wanted to unpack this in live time, right? So it was like real exciting. I'm about ready to have a heart attack. I'm so excited. You just don't know. I have been wanting this oil for a while, and I decided to go ahead and do it because I have had people on my team order this, and this is amazing. It's a beautiful, beautiful oil. If you've never ordered Joy, you need to order Joy, because I feel like my life is full of joy every single day. Had to have this, right? So that's a part of my order as well. And then I know it's in this one. And it is, everybody knows who knows me, knows I absolutely love frankincense, right? And I never run out of frankincense, but I did run out of one that I got as a Christmas gift last year from that amazing friend of mine and part of my upline and my team, Becca Terrett. And I so love this oil. Another one I really, really encourage you to order if you've not ever had Believe before. This really does something for me. I love Believe. It helps me to believe in me. And I really needed that. So I went ahead and I got that again. That was part of my order. So, okay. So, of course, you're probably noticing by now, it's like, okay, you're a part of Young Living, so you already know. Okay, I maxed it out. I went all the way to the 400. So let's talk about those levels and what they meant this month, okay? At the 190 on Essential Rewards, you got black pepper, Vitality. I love my Vitality oils, guys. You don't know. I cook with them almost daily. Black pepper, Vitality. I love, 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 love black pepper Vitality. Okay. And then you got the coriander Vitality. Super excited about this. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting this one and I had not gotten it yet. Coriander, right? Now this is at the 190. Follow me here. We're still at 190, okay? Coriander, free. Did you understand that? Free? Okay, 190. And then also the thyme. Now thyme I do have, and I've used it a lot, but I was getting low. So free. Love it. Love Essential Rewards. Okay, so that's at 190. Okay. Now at the 250, okay, they also threw in Mountain Savory. I cannot wait to try this, okay? I'm going to be using that for a marinade on a beautiful piece of grass-fed beef. Sure am. But that is at the 250 level. And also cannot ever get enough of Orange Vitality. Not ever, not ever, not ever. This is a happy oil, guys. You're not using orange in your water every day? You need to start, okay? Makes a huge, huge difference. Okay, and so, yeah, and of course, you got okay, right. So the 250, they add the Mountain Savory and the orange, okay? All right, now at the 300 level, oh my goodness, I can't wait to see this. I cannot wait to see this. It's a charcuterie board, right? Stop it. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Guys, look at this. A charcuterie board. Look. places for your oils right there. And it's beautiful. Look at this. It's like it's marble and like I don't know what kind of wood this is, but it's really beautiful. That is beautiful. Free at the 300 level. Okay. Okay. Are you following me here on this? Okay. So that's at the 300 level. And then, of course, at the 400 level, oh yeah, I went there. I did go there. And also, where did parsley come in at? Because I got a parsley here. Oh, there it is. At the 400. I'm like, where is it? At the 400 level, they also added Parsley Vitality, which I've been wanting. I did not have this one yet. I love parsley, so I use it a lot. So I'm excited about that. And also, are you ready? You know what's coming up next, right? Oh, I wanted this so bad. I've been so excited about this. Guys, I love cooking. My grandson, now, you know, he's not young. I mean, he's 15, but he's got a love for cooking like I do, okay? And healthy cooking, okay? So this is going to be something that I am really going to enjoy sharing with him in my kitchen, right? As we do these things together. But it's the apron set. It's the beautiful, oh my gosh, I love this material. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? This is fabulous. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love this. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love this, guys. I'm going to have to show it to you. But there's one for you, and then there's one for a young person, too. So you can actually share. It's 2 aprons, right, that you can both you wear, like in the kitchen. But I had to have this one for a couple of different reasons, of course. But it was a Young Living apron for one, okay? And I cook with Young Living essential oils all the time. So Vitality, okay, so this is it. And it's got the 15 milliliter bottle on it. And it's got, oh my gosh, it's so cute. And it's got the Young Living tag on it right there. I don't know if you can see it right there. Oh, and I love it. It's got the pockets in the front, which are perfect. And I just love that. I love it. I'm going to keep it on for a minute because I'm getting ready to cook something and I'm going to use my oils. But then this is the smaller one for your young person to wear as well, right? This is the other one. And I am just, I'm to the moon over this. I'm so excited. But guys, I'm going to turn this around, okay? And let you see this, okay? I'm gonna let you see this. You know, I love Young Living because think about this. Not only have you gotten your wellness box, right? Which are the things that you need for you. You can customize each and every single month for you and your family to get what you need. But you've just gotten free product. This month it was over 200 and, what does it say? 200 at 400. At the 400 PV level, you got $438.67 of free product. A free product. Plus, if you're like me, I've been in Young Living for over 3 years now and have never missed an Essential Rewards order. But so I'm at the 25%. Plus, on that $400 order, I got 25% back of reward points to use toward future items that I can also use and share with my team. Share. Just share, right? But I'm going to turn this around and let you see this, of course. Of course, you see, like I said, my Ningxia bundle there. And then adding the Nitro, adding the Zing. My order of, and I got to make sure you can see this. My multigreen, right? My Vitality drops. The oils, Joy and Believe. But this is the free product, right? These are all of the free Vitality oils, okay? All of those. Parsley, orange, mountain savory, thyme, coriander, and black pepper, along with this beautiful, amazing charcuterie board, okay? And the apron set. And I'm so excited and I'm so happy. And I'm so happy that I could share that with you as soon as I opened that box. And if you are not taking full advantage of Essential Rewards each and every month, I encourage you to do so. I really, really do, guys, because it sets, especially if you're, if you have a team on your team, teach them, help them, guide them on how they can get the absolute most also out of Young Living, and allows them to share more easily with others, right? So, yeah. Do it. Just do it. Just go for it. Just do it. Because they will follow you. They will follow you. Okay? Thanks, guys. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, I got to go cook now. So I love you guys and have a wonderful, wonderful, blessed day. Bye.